We're coming to the Clay access, and I'm so excited. There's actually a public stream access sign over there on the left. So you're gonna turn right, well, I'm going north. So you're gonna turn right on Maple Lane and then left on Center. And it doesn't say street or drive because half the sign is gone. But you're gonna turn left on Center, whatever, and then immediately right into this parking lot of Clay County Business Development Authority. There's a skate park over here, which everybody else is ripping their skate parks down. Clay's got it going on with their skate park. Alright, I would not drive my truck down here. I don't know whether it's meant to drive down or not, but there is no chance that I would drive down this. It can't possibly be meant for driving. It looks like it's, I don't know, it's just kind of gravelly, cindery something. Patrick would drive down it because he's an idiot. But this is just kind of drag your kayak down. This is another one where I would have to make him drag it back up the hill for me because this is a bit of a trek down the hill. We need to put a winch on the back of my truck and then just drag everything up and down. So it's kind of steep right there. When the water gets a little higher, then bam, straight in. It's steep, but it's super, super short. And look, back up the hill you go. I guess I should actually bring you back with me up so you can see the parking area. There is lots of parking up there for lots of vehicles. So you can like bring your whole crew and have a party in Clay. Bring your skateboards, bring your kayaks. Alright, so this still not high. I'm gonna be panting soon. Yeah, there's lots of parking back in here for vehicles.